Welcome to Cooking with, and today we're gonna cook. It's called ceviche. We have some shrimp, frozen because I can't afford the other ones. I can't afford them, and we use shrimp. So shrimp ceviche, and it's gonna be good. You can use the rest. Okay, so we're gonna open the shrimp, as you can see here. Shrimp. No tanto, no tanto. Shrimp. We're gonna open the shrimp. Okay, so now that we have the shrimp, as you can see here, we need the these are not lemons because I couldn't find lemons, so we're gonna cut them and then we're gonna put the lemon juice in the shrimp. You not to put the seeds on because you don't want the seeds. Because like if you eat the seeds, then you're gonna have like diarrhea and shit, and you don't want that, right? See, now that we have them, it's starting to rain. I don't know how I'm gonna record the rest of the video. Okay, so now that we have the shrimp covered in the lemon orange juice, we're gonna put it in the fridge. We're gonna let it like rest for a couple. So we're gonna let it rest, and then here you can see that we have ingredients already cut it, some onion, tomato. Okay, now we get the we get some kind of container. I don't have anything better, so I'm just gonna use this. I mean, you know. Let's go check our shrimp. I already proceeded to put some like a pepper, not pepper, like and now we put the shrimp with the other ingredients. There we go, and as you can see here, it's time for a little mix up. We're gonna mix the ingredients right there. You can see how now you're supposed to put like more lemon, like a different one. I don't have more lemon, so I'm just gonna use the same one. We're gonna put it in, like, there we go. And now we just, like, just gonna mix it all again, like we're like, like. Okay, so as you can see, our ceviche is almost done, but it's time for our secret ingredient. Esta es marinero tomato. Tiene alcohol. Oh, we're gonna put some of it here. We're gonna put like our dish. It's done. We are gonna serve it. I can't see. And then we're gonna. Okay, so now our dish is done. We're gonna serve it to our guests. Try it. Try.
No, look.